Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. Today's video, I'm going to take you thrifting with me as I visit the Goodwill bargain bins for the very first time. If you're not familiar with what the bargain bins is, it's this giant warehouse with all of these plastic tubs full of stuff that Goodwill is about to throw to the landfill. It's what didn't sell in their store and they're about to get rid of it. So they give you one last chance to go through everything, and they sell everything by the pound. There's absolutely no order to what is in these bins. You've got toaster ovens in with Christmas and Halloween decor, light fixtures scattered throughout. I mean, you have to be in the mood. I'll give you, I'm just going to be honest. You quickly can be overwhelmed. I found this big box of glass Christmas ornaments that I had in my cart, and then I put it back. I just finally got all my Christmas decor put away, and the thought of finding a place for these, I just didn't want to deal with. So I just left them there, and now I'm kicking myself. I did find this Tupperware bowl. Remember these? I think my mom stored iceberg lettuce in them. And I picked up the bowl and I was like, what are the chances of me finding this lid? Oh, there it is. So I grabbed this bowl. They had this big box of brand new metal buckets with Christmas words and scenes on them. I think it was a box of 20 brand new buckets, and I left that behind. I didn't know what I would do with it. I know I could have crafted something with it, but again, I just didn't want to end up with a bunch of stuff I had to come home and find a place for. I was surprised at all the good stuff in these bins. I probably could have grabbed more, but I was very conservative. I had a backache, and I never have a backache, and I don't know what was going on with my back, but it was hurting, and I was just really not in the best mood for this. So I left a lot behind, which I'm probably better because I don't have to deal with organizing everything. We were very conservative. And we ended up spending $7 and brought home a good bit of stuff. We left the bins and we went over to the Goodwill store and gave it a quick run through. Look at this. Now I'm wishing I would have grabbed this because it was real silver and glass. I could have polished that up. Oh, it's missing this stem, but again, I wasn't feeling the best, so I just gave it a quick pass. And the Goodwills in Florida are phenomenal. I don't know what to tell you why they're good. I'm thinking there's a lot of older people here, and they come down here and then they downsize and they donate quite a bit. That's the only thing I'm thinking, because antiquing and collecting, you can find so many good things at our Goodwills. Look at this stack of plates. I mean, they were $1.99, and you know me and my love for turkey plates. These were not vintage, but on any other day, I probably would have grabbed them, but I left those behind. I love these big bags they put together. They'll couple different things together with like Christmas decor, Christmas ribbon. We've been doing the candles because the girls really like lighting tapered candles right now. So I grabbed that big bag of candles for $6. And sometimes I'll grab one of these goodie bags, but I did not on this day. We hit up a couple stores on our way home and picked up a few other small items. Wasn't a huge day for us, but it was definitely a good time. When we got home, I put everything on the table, and I want to show you what all I have gotten through thrifting this week. My mom found these. This is a Wedgwood Peter Rabbit tea set. They printed this set from the late 70s to the late 80s, and so they're considered vintage, and they sell for quite a bit of money. I found a set on Etsy for $350, and then a set on Mercari for a little bit less than that. But each piece, my mom paid either 99 cents or $1.99 at her Goodwill, which was absolutely phenomenal. Next up is this silver bowl that I got at a little church thrift shop for $3. I just saw it. I love the shape and the size, so I grabbed that. I saw this plastic charger or plate. I'm not sure what it is, but I loved it. It was only $1. I liked the colors and the horses in the middle, so I picked that up. Then I saw this large silver tray. I don't have one this big, and it was only $5. So I'm gonna get some polish and shine this up because I just thought it was so pretty, and it's a really large size. We already talked about these tapers that I picked up. This is a very large bag, and I got all of these for $6, and I know the girls will definitely use them. Now, I am way more excited than I need to be about these chocolate-covered cherry boxes. They are vintage and originals, and I got them to decorate for Valentine's Day. I just absolutely loved them. I found them on eBay, and I just had to have them. So I got these, and I'm about to set up a really fun Valentine display. I like to take my seasonal decorating a little bit different of a direction than most everyone else. It has to be unique in some way. So I thought I would hone in on the chocolate-covered cherry candy. I love candy. I love Valentine's, but I want it to just be my own look. So I'm going to take these chocolate-covered cherry images. I'm going to scan what I can and create all kinds of different things out of this chocolate-covered cherry box. I just think the graphics are fantastic. They're just beautiful. They just really used to spend time on labels and packaging back in the day, and I really still appreciate it. I really liked these cedar floral stems from the Goodwill Bins, so I did grab these. I'm not excited right now about them because it's just going to be packed away, but I liked how they looked, and I really like this little wreath. I can put a candle in the middle of it next Christmas, but those were two items that I really thought were sweet. One of our thrift shops has a bin by the door that is a free box, and you're welcome to take whatever. And in this box, it had this handful of recipe books and magazines. This is the first publication of Taste of Home magazine. It was February, March of 1993. It's the very first publication, and it was free. I used to get this every month for years. My grandma would buy it for me for Christmas, and I loved it. I always read them cover to cover. I just loved them. We've already talked about my Tupperware lettuce bowl that I found in the bins. I paid pennies for this, so I was excited to find it and bring it home. I'm going to clean it up. I want to show you this really cute little baby quilt that I picked up. It is a Valentine quilt, and I didn't realize it was in the shape of a heart until I got home, but look how sweet this is. This is a handmade little quilt, and I got it for $3.99, so I'm excited to put this out somewhere. That is all of the thrifted finds that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed what I found, and make sure you are subscribed so you see what I do with these amazing chocolate-covered cherry boxes. You will not want to miss it. Let me know what your favorite thing I thrifted this week. I will see you all in the next video.